Hello everyone, it's me again. My name again is Rian. Kung sino pang hindi alam kung sino pangalan ko, Rian Valentino Wahingan. And I'm 11 years old and I'm born November 8, 2014. Okay, let's vlog ulit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, thanks pala for watching my channel, okay? My YouTube channel. Thanks for supporters for me. And I love you all guys. And thank you to love me. And this is me and this is my house. If I say this is house of my mom and dad, this. Cool. Cool, right? Cool. This. And I am grade 6. Grade 6 na po ako guys. Comment kayo kung anong grade na kayo. Because ako kasi grade 6 ako. Okay? Please lang po pag-subscribe lang po at saka paki-like pati paki-comment lang po. Please po, gusto ko lang po naman kasi ng maraming subscribers at saka like at saka mga comment. Please. At huwag niyo namang sawaan tumingin dito sa video na to. Please. Thank you. Thank you everyone. I love you all of you and my supporters. Thank you again and see you to other my YouTube channel. Channel pala yun. Sorry. Nagpakubit kasi ako guys ng buhok. Noon, taga dito na sana yung buhok ko. Kaso lang nagpagupit ako dahil my hair because long hair. And I short hair, I cut my hair. My mom is cut my hair because this is long. So long. Long. Ganito kahaba. Anong bagay guys sa akin guys? Yung long hair or short hair? Comment kayo. Because kung long hair, magpapalong ako and I don't shortcut my hair. Kung short hair naman, i-cut my hair for the long. Okay? And bye guys. See you to my vlog. And see you to other vlog. And please subscribe. Thank you for my supporters. I love you guys and I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.